Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. You guys, as we will start Google My Business today, I think let us wait for all participants to come. And as I have just conveyed, please connect with Tejashwini. And already you have done also. Get your certification here. Ultimately, this is a very prestigious certification, and it will help you throughout the life. So all of you can see my screen. Can I show you the screen or something? Wait. Wait, I'll share the screen. Is it visible? It is visible, my screen.
Yes,
So
sir.
topic of the day. This is not much slides today. Only we'll discuss on whatever real time we will discuss, and we'll discuss what are the relevance. And one blog I have written on Google My Business. You guys can read for you after this class whenever your time. No, you guys can read that for your information. From my one of my link. No, is there. You can read that at your convenience whenever you will time. I will share you the link. Okay? On Google My Business, it is one of my post, LinkedIn post. So guys, I think 7:5:05. We'll still waiting for participants. Let us wait because maybe a couple of them will join. Wait. I think one more participant. Good evening, Vivek. Vivek joined us. Great. I think Sivani. I think Sivani is supposed to join one more, right? Yesterday she joined.
Shivangi, sir.
Sivangi, right?
Yeah.
Sivangi. Okay. So all of you are like into digital marketing, like all of you, like I don't know about you and your background and everything. Anyways, you guys have will do an internship and all, right? No, with NITM. All of you working?
Sir,
No, sir.
we try to get the internship, but the
Okay.
internship is
Okay.
not
So
going.
now I think internship. I think anyhow, NITM is also I think providing some
No,
kind of
sir.
projects.
As
They
of now,
involve
we
Yeah,
are
students a
not
they are
lot.
getting.
they are providing, but
Okay.
not
Okay.
going with salary.
Okay, but you will get because I think you get a lot of the best part of the agency is also there, so you'll get a lot of other work. So you'll great time to learn also. Definitely, will have a great learning. That is there. You do not worry about that. Who is saying? I think only we can wait for Sivangi. I think she will
I
join.
think she will not join today.
She will not join.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Anyways, good to go. We can start now. Guys, can we start Google My Business?
Yes.
Guys, how many of you heard about this Google My Business? This tool of Google My Business. Is it a paid tool or free tool? Anyone can tell me. So you can interact, right? It is not mute. Okay, you can anytime you can talk. I think. Okay, just guys, Google My Business. Everyone knows what is Google My Business. Let us I will just brief you once before we go and check out the things in Google Chrome. I just open all of you. Just open your Google Chrome. The Google My Business is a tool of Google, right? It's for local listing, which really helps. Whenever you go and you can find the business listed in map, and that even so. I hope you have gone anywhere and you stood anywhere and just opened and search. You start searching your no a restaurant near me. Whenever you go somewhere and starts you're looking for something and you start searching what we do here the restaurant near me, like restaurant near me. Okay, So guys, in mobile phone, we just search. So what would happen? The restaurants near me will come. So we will see the list of restaurants that is near to you. Correct? So this will come when you mobile also it will come. These are the listing in Google My Business and in a local search. The Google listing, which has happened and business they listed and they are identified on map because of the Google My Business listing. And it is a very good tool for the businesses to list themselves and get placed in the Google search, local search. So it is a part of local SEO, right? Local SEO means local search engine optimization, because whenever a business, a small business, a small entity of business, a small salon also can register themselves and get themselves identified in the Google search. If a customer is looking for something like for his requirement, any restaurant or salon or any kind of business, so which you look, if he's registered on Google Map and Google My Business, the business is listed in local listing is happened, then he can easily be identified with clear direction and address and phone number. So everything will be there, in the detail will be there of the customer whenever you search. And it is a very good platform where small business can, can be identified on Google search. So it is a platform where locally you can search your business, whatever the business is there, you can locally search, and your business is also listed. You can see there's a restaurant here, 1.2 kilometer takeaway, and Nellore Ruchlur Andhra style hotel. It is in Rama Electronic City. So you can see the ratings also given here. When you click here, you can see this, right? Can you, my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir, visible.
Shyam. So you can see this kind of ratings out here, and rating and this particular address and the timings, everything is there. Direction, website, because these people have this particular restaurant, this hotel is already listed in Google My Business. So guys, what is the like prospect? See, a smaller business when they start, not various people, they start their businesses, they start their shop. But as a digital marketer, we know that it is the relevance of Google My Business. We know that what's Google My Business is there. That's the reason this business is listed. I don't know about Nellore, this Andhra style hotel, but I love Andhra food. Maybe I love Andhra style lunch, but I don't know where it is nearby. But when I start searching, I saw, okay, boss, it is near around only 800 meter. It is near to my place only. So I have not gone there. But using this Google search and this Google location, this and on the map I saw it is near me. So Google, it is a local search for me. So locally, I got this restaurant near me. So this is a great opportunity for smaller business to connect to the customer. If you are a digital marketer, you've grown in your career in digital marketing, you can always look upon this as an opportunity. That even we have done couple of business, like we also reached to the smaller business. We can tell them, boss, you are registered you are in the Google. Are you in the Google Map? You are not going the Google Map. You can just go and search whether that business is there in Google Map. Maybe it is not registered. You check with the shop owner, or you tell, sir, your shop is not there in Google Map. Can if you there, you see other competitor, other of the various others are competitors. Your competitors are already there in Google Map. Other hotels are already there. So you can also register yourself. Correct? If you tell them, you can charge them nominal amount, maybe 5,000 rupees or 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. You can charge them. You tell, sir, your every detail we will put, and definitely your restaurant will be also there in the map. So you will get better business. So that is the relevance of Google Map. 90 to 95% of the people, consumers, they search local business online. So locally also, even I search a lot whenever I'm in Vijayanagar or somewhere in Koramangala, in Bangalore, anywhere I am looking for something. No, as a customer, it is Google My Business which relates me very much. I hope it will relate to you guys also, because wherever you're there, you're looking for something. Maybe you're in Marathali, you don't know, wherever you are in somewhere, some part of other part of city, you are gone, and you don't know the area, but you want to, you are in, you just whatever, you are in Kamanali. There are various hotels in Kamanali. You are standing in Kamanali. So you just open your Google, your mobile browser and Chrome and just search. as a restaurant, you want to have some good food, then you will see this list will come in front of you nearby restaurants. Immediately you see what you will do as a customer. If you see, ask me as a customer, definitely boss, I will see this rating. मैं तो ये rating देखूंगा. This is one thing I will definitely see. I will see your rating should be at least 4.5 or 4.7, कुछ 4, 4.5, कुछ reviews अच्छे आ रहे होंगे. Rating only नहीं, I will see the reviews also, Google reviews. I'll check that. I will check. We'll come back to that, this part also later. But this is something which I will definitely look at, Google reviews. Because once you are registered in Google My Business, you can start taking, after the verification is done, then you will be, so guys, when you register in Google My Business, Google will take 12 days to verify and the postcard will come to you, and then the business will verify. That is the standard operating process. That is the standard process. But that we'll see how when we'll start. When you register, then you definitely get this. But even recently, one of my friend business, when we have done this Google My Business registration of his business, then what happened, that particular postcard came, and on the similar day, same day, when we use that, it was verified. When we log in and we are supposed to verify, it got verified because postcards were already delivered. So, and one of other guys, a postcard didn't come, then again we had to reach to help center. So that is one standard process, but many businesses, they do this registration through this particular process of Google. So first, we will know what exactly, you just need to type in your Google My Business. Okay? Just search this Google My Business. So you can see this Google My Business. All of you seen, hope all of you see this. Google My Business, just click here, Google My Business. And guys, whenever you are going to for listing the business, request your client to, if you say, see, there are several clients. Okay. Some people, they are very much a tech friendly client. They know everything. You need not to do anything. They will tell you, you'll ask, sir, do you have your Gmail ID? They will give you their Gmail ID. Don't worry, they will, because why? We will use our Gmail ID for their registration, not required, right? So you will tell, sir, give your phone number, give your Gmail ID. If he's telling, no, boss, I don't have your Gmail ID, then you help the person. So I will help you create your Gmail ID. Okay, एक step आगे, you should do one extra mile, right? To help your customer. So you just client to get the business, to get the client. So you'll definitely tell, sir, you don't worry. Leave it to me. You give your phone number. I'll create a Gmail ID for you and I will help you. So you create a Gmail ID, then you just sign in here, and you just, when you sign in here, then you can see there's something called find and manage your business, right? If your business is not in the Google listing, see this, when the business is in the Google listing, it will be looking like this. A listed listed business, as I shown you earlier also, how it looks. When it is not in, then you have to add your business to the Google, add to Google. The first and foremost is your business name. So your business name you should write. That is very important to us to mention the business name. So abhi, as we can do that, for example, anything. Create which name, business with this name. So what kind of name we can get? DigiMind. Web Solutions. Something you suggest me, some name, any solid number name you suggest me, even a web or digital marketer. DigiMind, digital market. But we generally don't put this like kind of name. We will put this something different name because it's a dummy name I'm putting. Okay. Okay, so this is a, maybe take a name like DigiMind Digital Solutions. Yeah, you have taken this as a business name. Then we just go to next and check it out. So we have to understand what category of business we are in. So that is also understand, whenever you are doing for your client, you don't know, you should know what kind of business category your client is up to. Hope it's clear, Jyoti. Shyam?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Whenever you're looking for your client, first analyze your client properly, his business. Without the knowledge, you can't understand which category of business is. So your little bit of Google search or Google research you can do about his business, his competitors also, correct? So whenever
Yes,
you're
sir.
doing certain listing, you go and just study similar business analysis. By just even going through the local business app. If it's a local business, just analyze that by looking at the similar category of business. You search similar category of business, you will see, and go and search and just have a little analysis of what kind of the other business has listed and what is their information. Little bit you will come to know. So if it's a web design, so let's like say web. So it is there web designer, it is there, and what is there, marketing. So marketing agency is there. Let us put this. ठीक है, डाल देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Marketing agency. So do you want to add location? Customer can visit like a store, or yes, we can take a location. So every business definitely, as an offline business, any store, the customer will come and visit. Okay. Always it's advisable to have yes. So guys, then your what is your address? Then you have to put a address. So any address we can put, that is like Google will like verify. For example, something we put like this. We'll put, and we will put this also, Karnataka. We'll just this. So Bangalore is the city. Pin code is 100 pin code, or whatever, Karnataka, and next. This is a complete address you have to put. Okay? And anyhow, we are in India. We have selected India. So, do you also serve customer outside the location? So, see, guys, it depends on the completely. It is depending on the nature of the business. If you're a website designer, you can definitely serve people outside the location. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you are a digital marketing agency, can you serve outside the location or not? You tell me.
Yes, sir. All
Can I
over the
serve
world.
a client of Gurgaon? Can I serve client of Pune? Can I serve people of Hyderabad? Client of Hyderabad, 100%, right? Because digital marketing, anywhere you can serve your customer. You can meet up the customer requirement. So 100%, I believe in this kind of business, yes. I'm not telling only digital marketing. Try to again and understand. This is not any other business also you have to look at. So what is this? Add the area you serve. That is optional. You can list your service areas below. They will show up in your listing to help bring relevant customers. So you should be very, very appropriate. For example, I am serving Bangalore, so I'll write Bangalore. I can serve certain people of certain areas nearby. Even I can serve Mysore people also, for example. I can go to Mysore, meet clients. Okay, I can meet Chennai clients if it's possible. I'm just giving all over India I can serve, but I'm just giving on priority where I can reach. I can put one more area. For example, I can put Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay. So if it is nearby, even I can even want to serve people somewhere, any other city of Pune, Maharashtra. I have put Maharashtra. So these are the list of areas below will show up in your listing. So people are searching also will come to. So this is what your availability will be searched. So it is optional for you. But Bangalore is my priority. I should put only Bangalore in my local server. But my business is wide. I can put for other location also. I am serving. That is optional. Again, try to understand. This is optional. Bangalore you can put, and you can go aram se next. So this is two are very important. Actually, phone number. Anyway, I've just put like this, no issues. My phone number, website, anyhow I have. If you don't have website, so example, I have website. Also, I have website, but I did not have any kind of get free website info also here. There's interesting. Get your complete website, just click, it automatically built. Your Google My Business listing is always free. So if you don't have website, this option is there. If you have website, you click this. Just enter your website. Understood? This option is for those people who don't have website, and those people having website, they can aram se enter. Like I have a website, I could have entered rajeshchaudhary.com, or I put my email ID, or NIDM. They can put aram se NIDM. Any other nidmindia.com. So these things that they can put, whoever having website, but don't those business suddenly will tell you go to a new business. Yeah, they see, guys, one opportunity is here, a business opportunity will come. I'll tell you, when the customer will tell, I don't have website. Again, as a digital marketer, you get this opportunity to provide one more service to the customer. You use your or if you know website making and WordPress, you can easily tell. Hope all of you have know WordPress website making. So you can use that. You can learn that. It is very easy. Try learning website in WordPress. It is very easy. So you can just, if you don't have, you just put I don't have. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have website in WordPress?
No, sir, I don't have, but I am trying to purchase it from 2 days, and today I am going to buy it. I have selected a domain.
Great. From where? Namecheap or GoDaddy?
GoDaddy, sir.
Okay. You're taking hosting from GoDaddy or some other hosting?
No, sir, GoDaddy. Linux hosting.
Same Linux hosting. Okay,
yes, sir.
Good. See, there is two way. When coming to that point, what Shyam is doing, good initiative, Shyam, because a website is like kind of identity. So definitely we should have a website. If you don't have a website also, that you can, but ideally having website is always good. So going next, want updates from Google for your business on Google? Yes.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I have a doubt. If we don't have website, if in interview if they ask, do you have website or did you work on that? What we have to answer?
Yeah, wonderful question actually. So ideally, Jyoti, one thing, few things for a clarity. For example, you worked for clients, you work for a little bit of client website, then you will have little understanding about a website. But I see, if no one will asking you to understand website, but knowing knowledge about website will definitely help you to connect and to understand the requirement of the client better. Because because mostly, as you know, people are having a website on WordPress. If you are doing any kind of SEO, on-page SEO, then you can do the changes. A simple WordPress, you need not to wait for web developer to do. But it is not mandatory that you should have a website. I'm telling you, that is very, very clear. I'm telling you, it's not mandatory that you are supposed to have a website, then only you can become a digital marketer. It's not like that. Having knowledge about website is good. You should be knowing what is domain. You should be knowing what is hosting. You should know what are the
yes, sir. But we are telling them we have experience and we have worked.
Yes, you can tell them you have experience. If you work for a website
then if
audit,
they ask on which website did you work, then
you have to work for a couple of competitor website at least, or some it could take the kind of competitor, a few particular category of business where you make a list of them and you analyze for example, take 5 to 6 website, do a website audit, and if you are working as an intern in NIDM, go and check and help them for website audit. Do the website audit for them and analyze their competitors and give some suggestion what changes need to be done. And if you have done that, you will have a hands-on experience. Yes, I have worked on those website, and you can tell them. But you need to practice on doing that. So you need not to worry about that. But you have to. So we are just getting deviated from the topic. We are going to website.
Sir, having
Let's
a website.
Come back to the topic. Tell me, Boliye.
I think, sir, having a website increases our chances of getting a job.
Yes, because see, and you can't connect a website as to the job. It will definitely help you to build up your online presence, and you can even do a lot of experiments, like whatever learnings you had, you can just apply that when you have a website. You can do those things and see what results are coming to your website. Your identity website will be your business identity maybe. then it will break. You will analyze that without depending on others. So there are certain benefit, but don't get here. You can learn it. It is not that difficult. As Syam is also trying to do, and people have done that. We also are not developers. I am not a web developer, but I've created so many websites. So it has happened. So even we have a developer who does a lot of thing. You can take assistance from them also and get your things done. So you can start take as an option of creating website, learn that. If you have a very interest to learn something, no one will going to stop you. So okay, what recommendations to business? Yes, we want updates and recommendations from Google. Digi Maestro finish. So if I could go finish, it is going to be 1 second. So guys, add your services. So it is asking what kind of services we are providing. For example, we have a digital marketing services. We can add that. These are very important for us to provide. Do you see services offered? So add customer service. Anything is there. Don't see a service offer. Create your own. For example, something is there which you really do. You can write search engine optimization. You can write it here. So search engine optimization added to your services. Something is there not in the list. You have no social media marketing. You can write. Okay, so those things you can write. So these services content management you can do. So these are the more. These are all other things we have. PPC we can do online services, paid advertising. Couple of email marketing you can do. Okay, so then we can save. So this is to add the business hours. This is also very much relevant, where you need to add your business hour. For example, you are working on Monday. What time you are working? For example, I am just putting what the timing will put 10 to 7 or 10 to 6 like that. I will put like that 10 to 6. Okay. So guys, we'll put that. We are open on Tuesday. We are open on Wednesday. We are open on Thursday. We are open on Friday. Maybe Saturday we are half day also, but timing we can put similar timing only. We will put it. Okay. So all the days of your working days you can put for your business. Wherever the business is open, the standard time you can put, so that you will get inquiries and customers also will come to know. Otherwise, it will be showing closed. After that hour, inquiry people will not make. So based on the nature of the business, agar hotel is open till 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and they work on shift, you write that timing. It is a company kind of setup, agency kind of setup, where people come at one time and go. Put it like that. You don't want to put, you skip it. Okay. So it is also, let's customer message your business on Google for free. Yes, accept message. Save. So this is something 750 word. You should write about your business. How good at your writing and what kind of keywords also you want to use, you can use. For example, your website is a digital marketing company, use all the keywords, like what are the key services you are giving, put everything out there. Digital marketing. I don't want to write in front of you and explain, but I hope you understood, right? All of you understood what 750 words you have to write about business?
Yes, sir. All keyword and
all
the whole
keyword
thing
no,
we can do.
some
We
sensible
can do
word. It is not like, see guys, if you're writing something about your information about a business, that should be descriptive, right?
Yes, sir. All the services we provide.
But try to put you don't only need to write like this, digital marketing, comma, email marketing, comma, social media marketing. No, 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 not like that. We are like that. You start like that. We are providing like that. You have to write a sensible lines, which will be very good for any customers to read and understand about your business. We are, otherwise we are digital market. We are the top digital marketing agency. ऐसे कुछ मतलब in Bangalore, like that. You have to tell. We serve uh, customers across the some clients. Clients will be across the country लिखता हूँ मैं, because we are just writing that. Globe I'm not writing. We provide list of services करके, then you write your write it down. What are the services you are providing, including your uh, social media marketing, PPC advertising, everything you can write now. List your all the email marketing, website website designing. You put it here. So that entire, this is a dummy one, so I'm not even I have to cancel this because I have just done it in some address, so I need to immediately skip it. No issues. For your understanding, I have done it. If you have a business having any kind of photo, you can use that. So any photos are there, you can put it from your computer, but that photo relevant to your business. Just a random photo when I am putting one random photo. Just like that, huh? This thing start now. This is almost, it will look like this. So guys, it is asking me to do the CA, but it's not required. Because once you join this particular they will prompt you. Google, so guys, whenever you have a new Google account, also this Google will prompt you to go for an ad. Nowadays they have got a new features. So this is the very important platform where you have to work on for your client, for Google My Business. That's the very important platform you need to work for your client, and the most important part of here is info. So this is going to be key. Info. Okay? You have to clearly mention this, and you mention the phone number. Anyway, I will remove it later, but this is important. What services you are giving, please mention. If you're product based, write the products, but this information is very important. What services you are giving, you need to mention it very clearly. And your opening any date you launch your business, and any photos also about our business.
Sir, what is the other option, sir? Add attributes, something like that.
Backside. Where did that?
Just below the services, sir. Yeah.
It's health and safety and services option. So this is safety, health and safety lets customer know about your business by showing attributes on your business profile. The attributes are the kind of qualities of you have, and these may appear publicly on the search. So this is one way for the business identified as a woman-led business. So anything is a specific relate to your business, on-site services as your business, you're providing on-site services. That particular any kind of specific attribute. Like it's a hospital, then appointment is required. That depends on the kind of business. For example, anything specific your business is looking at, like health and safety, appointment required. Is hospital, then appointment required. Mask required in any public places, or there is a store, any the mask. Those things you can put it. This is the additional. Staff required to disinfect surface between serve. So these are the temperature check. These are the attributes like the qualities what your business is providing. You can add it. N number of attribute you can add it. If it is there in your which is matching to that, you can add it. I think all entity provide this this sanitizer, everything, so you can use it. Mask required 100%. No store you can enter without mask, right? You put it. No, it's a part of health and safety. Due to COVID, it is like mandatory. So these attributes you can mention. So let customer know about your business, that how you are good at this health and safety. Those are the attribute. Attribute का मीनिंग समझते हो ना? Attribute मतलब जो चीजें स्पेशल क्या फीचर्स हैं और कैरेक्टर जो आपको क्वालिटी जो चीजें आपके
बाकी लोगों से जो अलग है.
बिल्कुल. Attributes are like that only. Health and safety attribute, business attribute, service attribute. These are attributes which is relates to your business and is a kind of features which is added feature बोलते नहीं, उस तरह का चीज. Well, info पूरा complete होना है. Whenever you're doing for your client, info page should be completely done. That's very important page actually. And then the post, once a review is done, you can go to this page, post. Posting you can do. Because it's showing keep your customer updated. Create your first post. If you can't create a first, but update your status. So the business is verified and currently connected to Google Maps and VA. It's always shown your. So you can do that. Any offers you want to run, that you also run a local offers. You can run any offer, 20% off or 100% cash back. Anything they want to run, small offers, they can run it here and then upload. This is the feature of what are the features of Google My Business. That's what I'm telling you. What else? A business can also run a small offers and they can highlight it, and we'll see that. Insights में क्या है कि once your page, you will see is under new performance. There is no performance in insight. You will see how many people they have inquired and how many people they have reached to you. All those things insights columns will insight features will give you. So this is also a very good feature. And see, most important is reviews, right? आप लोगों को पता है reviews plays a very important role in Google local listing, because Google algorithm is such a way that if a business is having very high rating, Google will give them higher in the search. So if you are keeping as a business, you will always encourage businesses to give customer to give you positive review. आप लोग पढ़े हो ऑनलाइन रेपुटेशन मैनेजमेंट? हेलो, all of you know about this term ORM. So guys, ORM is similar on the same thing, online reputation. So similar way, smaller business also reputation is the reviews and ratings are the business. Bigger companies, they have all the handles, everything, they take care of the online reputation. But this is smaller business also, this reputation is important. If customer give any bad review, it gives lot of no bad, not bad. It's not like Andhra style food. It is like kind of negative. It's very low rating, and some of the best place for tasty Andhra. Love food and the style, and non-veg lovers pocket friendly. Moreover, must try crab fry gongora. So that guy is sharing his experience, like what is his loving, and 5-star rating that guy is given. So he also said the photograph amazing. And I just love the veg meal. So see, try to understand. You need to take your customer is happy now. You just you should keep your link ready. Just go to Google this review one and just right click. You just see the URL, copy the URL and go to this website. What I told you, bit.ly, bit.ly, and make a short link. Make a short link. यहाँ डाल के यहाँ short link, prepare a short link. वहाँ paste करके आप एक short link create कर देना. छोटा bit.ly link create करना, so that customer will not go for a big link. छोटे से link create कर देना. Then you just send it to customer. Sir, what message कर देना या फिर बोल देना sir ये link है. Just give a Google review. You, and as a digital marketer, if you are taken that particular, you have done the GMB, just tell that you can help the business. If they are ready to pay you something also, it's okay, but you can help the business and tell them if they want how to take, then you also just help them, train them that, sir, whenever customer comes, send this link to the customer and give a good review and good rating, 5-star rating. And this is a very, very important part of Google My Business. You should understand what is the importance, photographs, services, website again. So you can create a local website, at least create your normal website. If you don't have your website, so it is even Google also give us a solution. This solution, note it down. This is a solution. You don't have a website, Google will give you a solution like the DigiMind digital solution dot business site. This is temporary from Google. It is similar kind of presence. And if you want to do like this, you can buy this website. That's the secondary option. But if you don't have, this can be used. Just to link, connect your business. See, that's a great feature of Google, I say. Google is, and businesses, settings. See, see, actually, for your knowledge, I have done, but I will definitely, for your purpose only, and Google, this is not linked so far. And so how can you understood, right? What is the relevance of Google My Business in terms of business local listing? Because it is a very integral part of local SEO. So any customer will look, you are looking for upon you need to take a positive review as a business, and as a digital marketer, you look this as a great opportunity. Google local listing is a great opportunity for you to get clients and get business, because there are various smaller clients, smaller businesses we have not reached, and Google My Business gives us the opportunity to reach all these smaller clients. So we need not to forego this opportunity of connecting with the smaller business and help them listed in the Google map. So
Sir, is there any hack to get reviews?
hack, you should not do any hack, because Google is very intelligent. If you are doing any kind of shortcuts, see, for example, certain similar IDs or something, or Google is very much smarter than us. So any kind of manipulation we'll try to do. Definitely Google algorithm is so strong, it will definitely catch hold of the thing. So I definitely not advise any businesses, including there was a startup company. We also never, a lot of times we were asked to give the different reviews, but we can't ask, no, that's okay. We have many floating crowd. I can ask people, 10 of my friends from Delhi, or 5 of my friends from Bombay, 12 of the friends of to give me different review of my restaurant in Bangalore. It's okay, because they may come and go. That's okay. But ideally, no, it's not advisable. Taking genuine feedback, genuine clients, it will definitely give you better result in long run. Hacks are okay, but only thing is, knowing this process of Google listing is always good. Means if you know about list a business in Google and you are exploring it, and then that's you are helping a business to grow. So you should know that what is the importance of and Google My Business is a free tool. It is
So
not
how
like,
can we generate ads?
yes, you want to generate ad, or you want to run what you are talking about, like generate ad or generate customers traffic?
So run ads on Google Maps, sir.
See, Google has recently, they have also started this features of Google local ads also. This is one of the recent developments, Google ads specific goals for local search. And at least you will, what is the best way? Google will give you 2,000 rupees as a complimentary, Syam. If you are new to Google ad, just create an account and just use that 2,000
Yes, sir,
rupees.
as a credit, sir.
Yeah, there is ad credit you will get. Use that, and because generally we also have never run this local ads, but yes, any search ad and normal video ads for YouTube and all we have run. But yes, you can use that particular, and you link your Gmail with the Google account. It's the same Gmail account, whatever here, you just link that account. But ideally in Google ads, in Google My Business, the most important part we should not deviate. Most important part
we should not deviate. That is this page. If you are honest to this page without spending any money, because any small business will not spend an ad except 2,000 rupees free, whatever you can help them. But apart from that, they are not going to anything. You can just help them with this information like Google Ads, location, extension, phone, all those things. So these are the few things closing. You can help them with proper. You can do SEO. Why you are going for ad? Why don't you look say, sir, I will do SEO for Google Map. This is a local SEO I'm talking about. आप तो बोल रहे हो पैसा खर्च कैसे करूंगा मैं बोलूंगा पैसा मत खर्च करो सर मैं आप you never tell the client that I am going to you spend. Whenever you tell any client you spend, then he will run away from you. You will tell क्या मिलेगा when because they are smaller businesses. Google My Business, every bigger small everyone is there, but you look at the client psychology also. You will be happy. You will tell sir I will do a lot. You use the keywords here ना keywords use करो इस सारे में description में 750 words को use करो properly. And they use this tool reviews the biggest tool of GMB. और तो GMB के उन टूल्स को यूज करो तुम डायरेक्ट जाके ऐड में जाके ऐड रन कर लोगे दैट इज वेरी इजी 2000 ऐसे ही खर्च हो जाएगा गूगल ऐड रन करना इमीडिएटली हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटेड ऐड यू कैन रन पुट द एक्सटेंशन एंड यू कैन डू दैट बट दैट इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन टू गिव देम ऐड बट आई विल बिलीव कि ऑप्टिमाइज दिस पेज वंस यू a customer ka it can be project for you you can take up a Google ad for any of your one small business within this month. Approach a customer and tell them I will register you. कोई भी नया सैलून खुला होगा या कि नया business whatever open, you should go and approach them. Go and search them in Google whether they are there or not. They are not there, then go and tell them, boss, मैं आपको help करूँगा Google My Business में register करने के लिए. That is the initiative you can take and then info page you put it, you do it properly. Take your proper time out and do it. Then that is the best thing you can do. But coming to shortcuts will not. This is the local SEO. See, if you go to Just Dial भी local listing है ना, पैसा लेता है वो. Just Dial is also is kind of local listing, right? वो खूब पैसा लेता है. It will charge you 100% मेरा business Just Dial में दिखेगा. But they will charge me minimum for month. They will charge me. And it will be very expensive for a smaller people like a business or an entity like us to pay monthly. So I really hats off, and we can add on to this. We definitely this Google is an amazing tool that is giving for free, and that is the best local SEO we can do. So definitely it has all this tools here. Everything is there. We can create a post. We can keep ourselves active. I'm not going to finish this, otherwise I'm unnecessary will be reviewed. ठीक है, ये review हो जाएगा इसीलिए. Because this address what I put, no, this is not the correct one. I just put a random address. ठीक है, for your understanding, I just went I just put. But guys, I request कि Google My Business just analyze some of the businesses. All of you should analyze that कि what kind of other businesses are there and how they have, what techniques they have used and how they got this higher rating. Try to do that. So if someone is getting rating, just check it out. What rating they have got, what services they have given. See, this is a tool. Today we are learning a tool of Google, that is Google My Business, and we need to understand how can we leverage Google My Business to connect with the smaller businesses and help them getting listed in the Google Map. So this Google Map में इस तरह का listing होना है, so you can help them. You can help them coming to the Google Map and help them getting their presence online. So this is all very. I think it's one of the best feature of Google. My Review is the best feature of Google, and it is a very important tool of local listing. Optimization, already I told, that is the only important thing you should know now. Google My Business listing कैसे करना है नया business का? Go to Google My Business and start. How can you list? And 12 days will take for verification. Ideally, it will take 12 days. I know, but yes, some people have this kind of query that मुझे आया नहीं 12 days. I have not got this verification code. किसी को नहीं मिला, maybe different issue, but you can always reach out to the Google Help Center. They will help you out. If you have any kind of queries, Google Help Center will help you out for that.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You are showing that Google My Business is showing on which keyword which I have searched in Google. On my, if I search my business name, then it will show the Google My Business if there is a listing, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
But I want some another keyword showing that my Google My Business. So is that possible?
See, it is a business category if you're selected. For example, see, you're already selected. For example, what kind of business you are into. It also matter depend on that. For example, your business is into one particular thing, and you are not mentioned. You are not catering to those services, and you are searching something else. It is relevant to your business, then definitely it will show. You are relevant to your business anywhere in the your Google My Business info you have put, then it will definitely take up. Your business category is relevant to you in broader way, then it will take. But if you are something not, if I'm searching salon, I can't see restaurants, right? So that should be unisex salon may come, or maybe parlor. This kind of little relevant business will come, but may not be the completely different kind of the business category you are serving, and you are searching and you are expecting that to come search to. It is very difficult. Other
Yes,
customer
sir.
in what is this?
Yes, sir. But in my website,
No,
only if I
no. You can't do that. When you're talking about creating, no. You should not encourage doing for other customer. No, what Vivek was asking, can I do? Can I create for my separate customer? I can use my ID and create. Why you will do that? You are not supposed to do. Ideally, any business you go, we encourage them to create an ID for them, Gmail ID dedicatedly for them, create GMB for them. We are not supposed to use a personal IDs and again do GMB for their business, because we were nowhere and we will access. This is not the right method. You always need to create their ID for them, Gmail ID for them, and do GMB for them. That is the proper way, because you are not supposed to do that. Separate, please. Hope you understood, right? Because a few startup company also we have done very clearly, because we are not supposed to do that, because again any verification, anything will come tomorrow, they will change the business. Why you are not tied up with them? You will keep following, they will unnecessarily follow with you. It was not requirement. Why you are going to get into all those things? Just give a very keep it very transparent, very simple. Jitna simple rakhoge, it is very good for you. Create a Gmail for them. If they already have, ask the Gmail ID, create that. Any verification, anything, try to understand. It will be very good if you follow this simplicity. Okay. So guys, I just request you, Google My Business is not any rocket science. Try to understand. I don't take it as a rocket science. It is a very simple tool. I request you use this as for your advantage as a digital marketer. You just help small business to come to the Google Map. If you can help that, it will be great. If you are not helping, you're losing the opportunity. You're losing the opportunity for the businesses to grow. So make sure you guys are like approaching small business. ये एक project ले सकते हो, or you can earn at least, all of you can earn. This is a small post I have written on Google My Business. If you want to read, then you can read it. Local SEO. Because there's a small post I have written, just you can read it later whenever you have time. So guys, so use this as an advantage, because this is what we require. When whatever we learn, we should start getting some kind of earning out of that. So try connecting small business, help them to get into the Google Map, help the business to grow, help them get the businesses local listing done. That is the best thing you can do, and ideally you should start doing right now. You can explore. Jitna explore karoge, you come back with new things. You will take new. Okay, you have any hack for doing taking reviews? You take it. Hack create karo. Don't use hack means use some promotional method. Na bolo ki customer ko, sir, you give me, that is the hack. I will give one interesting hack. Give a Google My review. Give 5 rating. You get additional 10% off in the next year service. सही वो hack हो गया ना. That is also hack only, because if someone will tell me give me 20%, I will go again. I will tell okay boss, I will give only good review. He is giving anyhow, he is giving good service. अच्छा तो दे रहा है. Although competition is there, I know competition is there. Competition तो always रहेगा market में. So definitely my hack is I'll create a promotion. I'll tell the small business, you create a promotion, लिख दो, ये Google My link है, the customer को link दे दीजिए और ये just let him give you best review, उसको next review दिखाएगा, next 20% दे दे next time, but automatically you come to know the customer दिया review तो ऐसे तो नहीं है कि you know suddenly आपके पास 1000 review आ जाएंगे, कोई 40-50-100 review होंगे, you can आराम से know the guy who is there, whose email ID. So guys, I
Hello.
really want to thanks each one of you for such great listening and see from my side, whatever the best, I congratulate you for this, getting the certification. I think good job choosing digital marketing as your career. And the small effort from my side that I just from Kumar sir, whatever he requested, I just taken a class. And just you can see the recording. I will try to, today I recorded this class in computer, so definitely if you can check out the class, you can see the recording. We will upload in YouTube. That is the plan. So YouTube aram se you can access anytime. And Google
Hello,
My
sir.
Business is simple tool. You need not to get much thinking about this tool. Go simple, keep it as a simple tool of local SEO you can use. Okay, tell me. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, my query is that you are telling that if I search any keyword for my category related, right?
Yeah. Tell
So
me.
in that keyword, my Google My Business is showing.
Okay.
But in my case, my website, I'm typing my domain name.
No.
And
Website, your business is registered in Google My Business.
yes,
What kind of business you have, and whether you have done the GMB verification is
yes,
done.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So what business you're having, and then what kind of relevant tags, keywords you use. Few things are very important. Please cross check your keywords in the info page of your profile in GMB, and check out the keywords you used. And whatever not non-relevant ways, I'm not telling you are into digital marketing or web services and all. You might be using those kind of a broad category. What you have selected? What is your business category?
My business category is traveling, for traveling,
तो
trip and
उसमें
travels.
आपने ट्रैवलिंग आपका बिजनेस व्हाट इज योर ट्रैवलिंग इज योर बिजनेस कैटेगरी एंड व्हाट
Yeah.
कीवर्ड you are now searching, what are the keywords you have used?
Keyword best trips in India,
Okay,
budget-friendly trips in India.
so if you are you're doing a trip, but you search something else like best fashion store near me or something दूसरा keyword में search करोगे तो what your
No,
business
sir.
will come?
As my
Is it
as my as my domain name is all trip today, right?
yeah. So
So
you will put on trip, travel, इस तरह के आप keywords use कियोगे. आप you just go and research some keywords in keyword planner, और उसमें जाके Google में देख लो, keyword suggest में जाके देख लीजिए. तो you will find out the keywords, but business category से relevant ही आपको searches मिलेगा. आप कोई भी customer near to you, see local listing का वही fundamental है. Fundamental is the person near you in the Google search, Google map, they will start searching, your business will come. That is what customer intention है उसको search करने का. Your वो intention travel related में search करूँगा या trip related या outing related, then maybe your business will list. But मैं अगर restaurant खोज रहा हूँ और expect करूँगा कि travel के लिए तो maybe ट्रिप रिलेटेड हो तो होगा, या फिर मैं सैलून खोज रहा हूँ, मैं कैसे, वो तो नहीं होगा, रिलेवेंट नहीं होगा. रिलेवेंट कीवर्ड भी होना चाहिए. So that is very important that keywords are relevant to your business and your business category. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And once again, thanks. And just check out the recording wherever required. And all right, I've just given one link of the small article. If you want to go through it, go through it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And good night.
Thank you, sir.